Hello YouTubers, it's Championdjk coming at you again with another video. Got a mail find today from none other than Firemanfood, 1988, from Ron. So anyway, he's got a YouTube channel. Go ahead and check him out. I will put a link in the description of this video to his YouTube channel, so you can check him out. He's into a lot of cool diecast. Pretty, I guess, new to YouTube as far as making videos goes, but he does make quite a bit of them. He does some in-store stuff. He does some just some other random videos, and so far, good guy. So he wanted some stuff I had pulled out of a Auto World unboxing where I got some Speed Racer cars that he was interested in, and he wanted to trade to me, and he just kind of showed me a picture of a couple things. I picked out one thing, and then he said, hey, do you want to just do like a blind box? I'll send you some stuff, and then you can send me some stuff back. And I'm like, that's totally cool. We can definitely do that, even though it takes me a long time to return fire, and I apologize about that. I know there's some people I still owe boxes to from a long time ago, and the funny part about it is I've got them like sitting mostly done to my right here. Shout out to Doug Storhoff if you still watch my videos. Really apologize about that one. I've got your box sitting there. I probably should just send it to you. And then I've got a box still for Friesen's Diecast. That's still sitting over there full of stuff. I just wanted to add more to it, and I never got around to really finding something super cool to send you, so I probably should just send you what you got because you'd probably be happy with it, but whatever. Anyway, that aside, Ronan Cho, I got a box for you sitting here. Yeah, yours I'm building. Yours is pretty easy to make, just because you kind of comment on stuff you like, so I kind of know exactly what to put in there. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this box. I'm sorry for rambling on about that. Let's see what's inside of this. So there's only one car in here I know that's in here. By the way, this week I also got a box from none other than Travis, Heavy Metal 164. I did not do an unboxing video for it because I knew exactly what was going to be in there, basically, aside from one car. But those items are going to be in my weekly video this week. So that's why I didn't do an unboxing for your box, Travis. That's going to be this upcoming weekly video here. All right. Anyway, so we got some a cut card. And of course, he knows I'm a loose collector, so if he cut cards to put stuff in here, that is totally fine with me. Sweet. All right, so we got a Volkswagen Beetle, the Pawn. This is awesome. I have not found one of these in the wild at all. My buddy Suresh did hook me up with one, but I'm definitely after getting a few of these just because I love this casting, and you can always use it for customs later on and all of that stuff. So really dig it. Love that. And then he also sent me a King Kuda. This is the regular King Kuda. That's pretty awesome. Thank you very much for that, bud. This is definitely awesome. This is the Zamac Datsun 620. I actually did not have one of these yet. I think my buddy Crazy Todd has one aside for me in my box of goodies that he's got stored at his house, which I got to start emptying out soon because I guess it's getting full and overflowing. Yeah, he saved stuff to trade me. I think there might be one of those in there, but either way, now I've got one. So that is fantastic. Thank you very much. And we got the Batman Lamborghini. That is a really cool one. Got a couple of these now, but not a bad one to have an extra of. Speaking of not a bad one to have an extra one of, this Lamborghini Countach. Really cool. Dig that. So, I wanted to get a bunch of these for customs. I want to, you know, cut off the light bar, put some milliput or something in there to cover up the hole where the light bar was, and make some sweet Lamborghini Countach customs. Otherwise, maybe I'll do some Lamborghini Countach like cop car customs. I think that might be kind of cool too. So we'll see what happens with that. And I think we got a couple more pieces in here. That wasn't anything, was it? No, it was a bag. Why did I want to look at this? Culinary Tours, flavors from far to table. Taste the world without a trip. What is this? Somebody else sent me a box with these bags in it. I think it was the Hot Wheels Hunter. Anyway, there's that. And then another Lambo. Can never get enough of these. This would be another cool one to do some customs with. And then we got the 2 items in here. We got this Camaro. Pretty sweet there. Thank you for the Camaro. And we got the one car that I wanted that he was showing me was this blacked out Toyota Land Cruiser. I did not have this one. I've got a couple of these Land Cruisers. This is not one of them. I'm pretty sure it's not anyway. I'm now looking over here. I think, no, I've got this white one here with the off-road tires. Did I have another one? Kind of peeking. All my a lot of my Johnny Light and Loose stuff is like right behind me or right here, and I don't see it. Looking at my other thing, I just want to make sure I don't have it. I'm pretty sure I don't. I wanted it, so I wouldn't have it. Yeah, I don't have it. All right. So anyway, there you go. There it is, and that's it for this box. So he just sent me a couple of items. That's cool. I was going to send him a couple of items back. Let's just go ahead and open up some of this stuff right now. Sweet. It's kind of an odd Zamac. It almost looks like it actually kind of appears to be like painted silver almost. I don't know if you guys seen these close up. It doesn't have like your usual Zamac look to it. I think they just maybe went heavy on the clear coat maybe. That might be what it is. And sorry for not flipping the camera around to give you a real close-up shot of this, but maybe I'll roll that through the weekly video and kind of talk about what I'm talking about, but that's a strange thing. Let's open up one of these Lambos. I still need the Super. I gotta get the Super of this. This is like really the only one I really care about getting is this Lamborghini Super. Definitely want to get it. This we don't really need to open. I've already got one of these open. I got one of those open. I actually, excuse me, I actually do have this one too. I picked this up. I couldn't pass it up. So I've got one of these loose. This one I do not. Oh, that's why I don't have this one. Excuse me. It is a hobby exclusive in all black. Why am I having deja vu? Do I have this? Did I have this? Ah, man. No, I don't. I ordered that white one. I got it in an Auto World box. This was the one I wanted. Okay. So, that is cool. Thank you very much, buddy. Firemanfood. Again, go check him out on... he's not on Instagram. He's just on YouTube, as far as I know. And then... I was going to film the weekly vid this week, but I'm not going to do it, actually, until Saturday. Excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. But I got some cool stuff to show you in that. Quick little preview. I got some Kyosho to show you. This was an extra from my eBay seller. That's pretty awesome. But I'll tell that story in the weekly video. I'm going back to just posting those on Saturdays, probably, instead of Fridays. I think I'm better off doing it that way, even if I film them early. But yeah, so that's going to be that. So happy to have this. Thanks again, buddy. I will get your box out as soon as I can. And the Speed Racer cars, and I'll throw in a couple extras for you, and I'll figure that out. Hopefully it won't take me too long. So, all right, thank you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you in the weekly vid.